Hi guys, it's Valerie here. If you are renovating or you're planning a new home and you are looking at making decisions for colors for your cabinets, if you decide to go two-tone or two colors on your cabinets, always make sure that your darker color stays at the base of your cabinets and your lighter color stays above. The reason you want to keep the darker color at the base is because your darker color carries more weight. So you want to keep the weight at the base of your cabinet to ground the space. And then the lighter color at the top. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, take care now. And thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.